Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So at this topper shaft now. Splines have stripped out of this. I'll put a video now. So you see the internal splines totally gone with. So this PTO adapter now goes from 540 to 540. Like this extends the shaft then if it's not long enough. And there's the pinch bolt as well. See that? I've just cut a line there to show where this slot is, in case there's something about balancing. So keep the lump the same place. So we'll cut across there now. So I put this Jubilee clip around, see this underneath weld. So I can actually take a marker pen now, mark all the way around, and it'll be straight then. Just measuring the length as well before cutting. I'll compare these together. Just see through that hole, there. I think I need to move this forward a bit to just get this diameter really. There's not enough grip there, not deep enough inside it. So there's still splines right inside there. It's a nice tight fit. And this is tight fit in there, so we'll cut this off and tack this on. So to actually line it up, we put another shaft on it and turn it around, and you could see the shaft going up and down a little bit, and you tap it down, get it nice and straight then. So I'll put a picture now of that. So that's this job finished. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.